Guys, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I want to show you how to see available random access memory on your OnePlus Go pad. To do it, open Settings application, scroll down and look for our About device selection and hit Version, and there we must tap sometime our version number, because to see our available random access memory we must activate our develop mode. Now we must enter our look screen to get connected to our develop mode, and after that we tap on additional settings where we have new additional option, developer option, and hit memory, and there we have information about our available random access memory that now we have 3.17 gigabytes free. That's all, thanks for watching, bye.